As many of you who follow the channel will know, just lately my videos have veered into small short story films. This is in part due to time constraints on my part and my total amazement as how this AI image, audio and video making technology is taking off. So thanks if you have stuck with me whilst I have been messing about here. Normal service will resume shortly, but I felt the need to show you this amazing AI tool released recently by Midjourney. First, a bit of background about this, and second, stick around at the end of the video for a few amusing clips from some of my favourite movies I have been adding a new character into. The Finsbury Memorial Sports Centre in Barnet, sitting near the Hertfordshire border, began life as the Stirling Corner Sports Ground after World War II. By 1955, it boasted a pavilion opened by the Duke of Edinburgh, tennis courts, football pitches, a running track and bowling green. Though owned by the Metropolitan Police, it was open to the public. The site gained unexpected fame in 1971 when Monty Python filmed their upper-class Twit of the Year sketch there. Since closing in the 1980s, the 32-acre site has become overgrown, with its derelict pavilion attracting graffiti artists and ravers. After watching Andy's video and feeling a little sad as to how the pavilion had got into such a state, I did wonder how much fun it would be to try and recreate the pavilion within computer software. However, looking at all of the AI image generators and video generators, there was nothing that could really do this without significantly changing the interior or the exteriors of the images, until I saw recently a video about Midjourney and their retexturing option within the software. Now, before I start this is a paid option. You will need a yearly subscription to do this with Midjourney, but it really is the only piece of software I know that can do this and will save you hours in 3D software or in Blender or in other ways of doing this. So if you are an architectural person, or if you simply want to remodel or redesign the interior or the exterior of your house, this could save you a significant amount of time. Now we'll just watch and see the amazing job this does to this poor derelict sports centre. And don't forget, this is me just starting to use this technology, and this is as bad as it's going to get. It can only get better than this, so watch on and see what you think.
Wow, that was my AI voice, could you tell? This is my real voice. Okay, look at this transformation. The first one we loaded into the retexturing software gave us this result. Super impressed with this. If we just flick back to how it looked with all the graffiti on it there, and with no real prompting in the Midjourney software, we come up with this, which is an amazing transformation. And you can tweak this as well. Obviously, you could take this into Photoshop, you could do stuff. You could obviously create a video intro as we've done here with Minimax. So if you're presenting this to a customer or client or your family, again, the second remodeling we did here on the interior, this is just seconds of work. Couldn't remove the bricks from the ground. That's something you could probably do in Photoshop prior to that, and then you wouldn't see that. Another shot of the interior here, which is the back of the facility, and there we go. Created that in just a few clicks of a mouse. And a shot out of the front. This is the one I think impressed me the most, really, because we prompted it for the grass outside and everything. And this really would take you a significant amount of time to do this in Blender or in any other type of software. And again, with the combination of the AI video additions, you can really get something going very quickly. Another exterior shot here of the building, transform back into full color. And then we take it back to the original photo there, the black and white imagery from the 1950s, the mid-50s. And then another interior shot here, reimagined again in color, as it probably did look with the green and whites here, with a different flooring. Again, all this in Midjourney using this retexturing feature. Absolutely magnificent. There really isn't anything that I can see on the market that will do this without significantly changing the image. You can do obviously external shots as well. Here's a clip from Andy's video where he was racing the drone about from the outside. And again, like I say, if you're an architect, you can do all this in-house now, and it's all thanks to Midjourney. So if you are interested, get onto the Midjourney website. It's about an £80 a year for this basic option. So if you're doing this, and here's a few clips of the Minimax software that I promised you towards the end. Some of my favourite films here with this character, my favourite, Mr. Bigfoot, inserted into all these classic films. And again, these are all just stills. The AI did all the rest. So if you have been, hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks ever so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
My man.
Ooh.